Could 2025 be the year of the tiny smartphone? The buzz says yes. Word on the street is that Apple and Samsung are gearing up to unveil ultra-thin phones next year. We first caught wind of a petite iPhone model in May 2024, possibly the iPhone 17 Air. Not to be outdone, Samsung is rumored to be crafting a Galaxy S25 Slim. This isn't just another case of Samsung trying to outdo Apple, there's so much more to it. While I'm all for a sleeker Samsung flagship, a smaller one would have been perfect for our best small phones list. But here's the kicker, a super slim Samsung Galaxy S phone could be a real game changer. Though, the way they implement the Galaxy S25 Slim might have its challenges. Remember the glory days of the tiniest smartphones about a decade ago? Apple gave us the 6.9mm iPhone 6, still their slimmest. Samsung countered with the 6.8mm Galaxy S6 flagship and the 5.9mm Galaxy A8 mid-range. Yet, the thinnest phones came from Vivo with the 4.75mm X5 Max and Oppo with the 4.85mm R5. Back then, thin designs weren't just practical, they were a status symbol. But the trend shifted. Phones grew bulkier to house better cameras and bigger batteries. Today, most flagship phones are between 7 and 9mm thick. While that's not terrible, it can be a bit much with today's massive camera bumps. Most phones now look and feel quite similar, making the industry seem a bit monotonous. An ultra-thin phone could really break through the clutter. The iPhone 17 Air seems aimed at a similar audience. It's not just an alternative but a potential Samsung showstopper. Some might criticize Samsung for following Apple's lead, but responding to a competitor's product could be a smart move in a crowded market. It could help Samsung keep its loyal customers. From recent leaks, it appears Samsung is aiming to match the camera setup of its top-tier phones with the Galaxy S25 Slim. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Air's focus on slimness might limit its camera capabilities. It's still too early to conclude how these contrasting strategies will impact the final products. Yet, it seems Samsung is mindful of maintaining smartphone essentials even in a thinner design. Over the weekend, well-known leaker Ice Universe mentioned the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim plans on X. While it's just one perspective, Ice Universe has a solid track record with Samsung leaks. The difference between Samsung's and Apple's Slim models is that Samsung aims to enhance the camera, stronger than the S25, and more akin to the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, not just slim and light. According to Ice Universe, last month saw the Vivo X200 Pro Small launch in China with a triple camera setup. If Samsung follows this trend, we could see a similar configuration on the Galaxy S25 Slim. This could mean the Galaxy S25 Slim has a more advanced camera than its larger counterpart. Rumors suggest the S25 Slim might switch to a Sony sensor for its main camera. Otherwise, it may mirror the Galaxy S24's camera specs, a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultrawide, and 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. One rumor even hints at a 200MP main camera for the Slim, matching the Galaxy S24 Ultra. On the Apple side, the iPhone 17 Slim, or iPhone 17M, aims to be the thinnest iPhone yet, possibly thinner than the 7.8mm iPhone 16. There may only be room for one camera, likely a 48MP main camera from the iPhone 16 lineup. The iPhone 17 Air could rival the iPhone 16 Pro Max in price, a lot to ask for a phone with similar camera quality to a less expensive flagship. Most Galaxy S25 Slim rumors point to a June 2025 launch, while the iPhone 17 Slim might debut in the fall. More rumors will likely fill in the details as the release dates approach. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to these exciting releases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Waving hand.